Today's recipe is grilled branzino with special Korean touch with Korean seasoning sauce. Watch how easy this is to make it at home. Let's get started. First, let's make seasoning sauce. 2 garlic cloves. 3 green onions. Leave some for later use. Three tablespoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon gochugaru, Korean hot pepper flakes, and sesame oil 1 tablespoon. Mix this. Seasoning sauce is done. And then next, this is a cute onion. I'm going to this one later garnish. And slice very thin. And this in a bowl in cold water. Just split. Branzino is coming. My broiling preheating to 500 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to give this guy some slits. So this is around 1 pound, a little more than 1 pound branzino, and just all cleaned. This is 1/4 teaspoon salt, and just rub it. Rub evenly. This is olive oil. I use my hand to brush this because it's so easy. There's also oil. There you go. Okay, are you ready to grill with me? I'm broiling for 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to flip it over and another 4 or 5 minutes. Wow, look at this, nice, juicy. And 4 more minutes. And then I will see if it still need more cooking, I will do this 1 or 2 more minutes. I don't want to overcook. Remember this onion? Let's drain and wash. Well done. Nice, good size. This is, look at that, gorgeous and handsome guy. And we need more decoration. Seasoning sauce. After eating this side, we are going to flip it over so that don't worry about this sauce going down. And onion. And some green onion, sesame seeds. That's it. Let's eat together. Smells really good. This smell and fish, grilled fish plus this is Korean seasoning sauce is already create irresistible smell for me. So good. Look at that fish. Oh my, so nice. This part is very delicious. I love this fish. Lettuce and samjang. So just kind of a healthy way we can eat it. Or just you can make, if you want to make a stew, and then 된장찌개 is good. So 된장찌개, kimchi, and if you want more side dishes, it's great. So look at this, and some rice. It tastes really sweet and flaky, soft also. Today, I showed you how to make Korean-style grilled branzino. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.